My name is Brianna Alexis Tucker. I am a sophomore, second year here at the University of Texas at Austin. I'm a journalism major, also in business foundations. At Texas Student Television, I work at KVR News, social media supervisor. That's basically maintaining all of our media outlets, our Twitters, our Facebooks. I also help students keep up with anything politically, financially, on campus, sports, and also global news as well. And my goal to do with that is also to write with Rolling Stones or write with Time. I'm very spontaneous, and if I say I'm going to do something, chances are I'm going to do it. I'm a very firm believer in the phrase, speak it into existence. I also serve as a member for the National Association of Black Journalists. Elected in 2011 to cover and photograph the AUSA conference, the largest Army conference of the year. I have to say, I am quite a copy editor. It is my favorite part of journalism besides broadcast. I love photo, broadcast, media stories, advertising. I would do it for free because I love it so much. Spending time in labs, editing things, going over and over and over again, trying to figure out which segment lines up best is probably my favorite part about journalism. It's putting that final package together. Journalism is what I want to do for the rest of my life.